Wish.
And this is how it all began, when the world became your canvas. And you started painting with a brush that you made from your arm, man. You were locked in, cooking, big, everywhere. Then boom, it came to life.
All for my man. Get no joke, no telling. Try forward, set a belly top, brother. Correct?
You tried to run, but they caught you, and when they did, you blacked out. When you woke up, you were a new man, fresher than ever. From the trim to the fit to the kicks, you would drift from head to toe in this strange new city. There was a little bit of London, a little bit of Lagos, and a whole lot of trouble. The original Batman was still running these streets. What is it with all the commercials and people falling out the sky? Anyway, this time your new kicks cushioned your fall. So yeah, everything was calm until the bus pulled up. That was close. But that wasn't even the crazy part. Wait till you hear who hopped out. And that's when everything got out of foot. I mean, hand.
My God. Keep going.
Wait. That did not happen.
Bro, I swear it did. It happened. It was pure madness.
Oh, wait. Why are you always lying? Every time, lie. Why are you
We gotta
always
go.
capping?
We gotta go. You gotta believe me, man.
Bro, look, regardless, if you're in London with me, like, I swear you're good. Go Slawn or go home.